What is up, fam? Welcome back to LJonesTarot Tarot. This reading here is for my Scorpio zodiac signs. Hope y'all are well. Hope y'all are having a fabulous start to your Sunday, y'all. I gotta get up and do my hair, so just ignore the hair. Sheesh. But let's dive in. Let's see. What deck of cards do I want to use? Let's do this. Let's see. What's the energy coming towards my Scorpios? And yes, I'm still trying to get my little area set up. It's still messy. Still gotta get some things organized. Let's see. What's going on? Messages for Scorpio. Messages for Scorpio. What's coming in? Off and on, high and cold, detached and ghosted. So you could be dealing with somebody that's flighty. Yep, memories. This could be somebody you have memories with, or somebody wants to make memories with you, but it's a flighty energy. Okay, what's going on? Messages for Scorpio. What's coming in? You have divine masculine. For some of y'all, this could be your divine masculine, or you could be dealing with a divine masculine energy. You could be the divine masculine energy. Shocking news. Oh, somebody could be shocked, or this person's shocked. What about this divine masculine coming towards Scorpio? This, okay, faith, healing, meditation, praying. This person could be trying to heal from something. Okay. Some of y'all, this person has a sex addiction with an ex or something. Psycho crazy ex, obsessed, won't let go. For some of y'all, this person has a sex addiction. They're sexually addicted to an ex. And they're like praying about what? Healing about what? About trying to be single, doing you, dating, stress-free, setting goals, career focus. Okay, so they could be trying to heal, love child. They could either have a child with you, or they have a child with this ex. Let me ask this: are they single? No. The Hangman in reverse. The Eight of Pentacles. Is Scorpio the one that's single? This person keeps repeating some sort of negative pattern. They're trying to detach from something. So they're not single, yes or no? Straightforward. They're not single, yes or no? Yes, they are single. Okay, 9 of Wands. So they're still trying to detach from something. 5 of Wands in reverse. They're trying to have some sort of peaceful resolution with you, trying to compromise with you in some sort of way. This person feels like the wounded warrior. So this could be a divine masculine that's trying to come towards you, because are they trying to heal something with Scorpio? Yes or no? Yes, Knight of Wands, because they're flighty. Knight of Wands is a player energy. They're trying to heal something with you because they've been in this flighty energy, this Knight of Wands energy. Uh-oh. Oh. No. And they've been in and out, or they're like a player. Something to do with a sexual encounter or something like that. Yeah. Ooh. The Six of Swords. They want to move on from some of the calmer waters here. They're praying that they can move to calmer waters with you. They can feel very passionate with you. But they could be very flighty. I'm getting like a flighty energy with this person. Some of y'all could have a child with this person. What else is coming towards Scorpio? Let me move that out of the way. What else is coming towards Scorpios, please? We have true colors and love-hate. So you could be seeing somebody's true colors, that there's like a love-hate relationship. What about these true colors for Scorpio? Queen B. Okay, you can feel like somebody selfish, stubborn, arrogant, pride, and ego. You can feel like somebody's in their ego. It says Queen B, secure, confident, boss B, career focus. So some of y'all are like focused on your career. Okay. You could also be seeing somebody's true colors, that they're super focused on work and stuff like that. Let's see. Is this Scorpio's energy? The Queen B. Is this Scorpio's energy? Yes or no? Is this Scorpio's energy? Yes. Okay. So this, yeah, Ace of Cups. That's self-love, pouring into yourself. Knight of Cups. Pouring into yourself. Some of y'all are like working on stuff that's like creative and stuff like that with the Knight of Cups. You can have offers and invitations coming in. Somebody could be inviting you somewhere. But people could be seeing your true colors. That this is what you're focused on. That you're happy. And you could be coming off very happy. You got your heart open. You could be celebrating. Be careful of like, you can have like this very fertile energy, but be careful of like pregnancy. But you can have like a very fertile energy. And you can also be showing up as like this ideal man or woman. Okay? You could be dealing with somebody that's very stubborn, selfish. Look, sweet talker. You got somebody trying to come towards you that's trying to sweet talk you. This person could be very prideful, very egotistical, shocking news. Yeah. Jezebel. This could be a Jezebel energy. Somebody that just want to have sex and sleep around and stuff like that. You can also have, some of y'all got a new relationship coming in. An opportunity to be in a new relationship. Here. Here. Let's see, what else is coming in for Scorpio? We have bumping heads. Okay, you can get into it with somebody, turning your back, but I feel like you're going to turn your back on it, or you need to turn your back on it. Let's see, why? Why the bumping heads energy? Why the bumping heads energy? Getting readings. Because you're intuitive, or because somebody's going to get a reading on you, or you do a reading on somebody and you find something out, moving on, letting go, loving you free. Reckless love or sex. I don't know if you're reading somebody's sexual energy, or reading that somebody's reckless with their body or something like that, or you just tapped in, you're intuitive or something like that. Maybe you give somebody a reading and you can end up arguing with the person, or bumping heads, or come into some sort of disagreement with the person. I see you moving on from it though. What else is happening for Scorpio? What else is coming in for Scorpio? What else is coming in for Scorpio? They got too late for what? Love message. So somebody could try to send you a message, but they took too long. What's too late? Too late about what? Jackass. Yeah, there's somebody coming towards you here. Secluded, separation, reflecting, soul searching. There's somebody that wants to come towards you and send you some sort of love message, but this person took too long. They were acting like a jackass. Too late with the jackass card. Yeah. You can see this person as a clown now, or like a jerk. Yeah, maybe you don't want to deal with this person no more. Pregnancy test. This could have been somebody that had like a false start with you, or something about a fake pregnancy or DNA test or something like that. Why are they being a jackass? What's up with that? Too late, jackass. Tell me about that. Moving on, letting go, loving you. Told you. Yeah, you're moving on from somebody that was just being a jerk. The GPS. This person could live at a distance. They could be going through some sort of ego death. They want to be selfish, stubborn, arrogant, prideful, egotistical. Okay, so somebody was in their ego and they was doing something to you. What were they doing? Like, what were they doing to Scorpio being a jackass? What were they doing? King of Cups. And the Two of Pentacles in reverse. They could have been emotionally imbalanced, okay? They could have been overly committed to something else or someone else. They could have caused like chaos, or caused you to miss out on an opportunity or something like that. With the King of Cups and Two of Pentacles in reverse. So they could have came off as like a good friend, somebody that's like mature, emotionally mature and stuff like that. This person here, they could be all over the place too. They could be very disorganized. But this person was being a jerk to you. And you're moving on. Something about driving or being at a distance or something like that. What else is coming up for Scorpio? What else is coming up for my Scorpios? We have mirroring, okay? Memories. You could be mirroring something. You could be mirroring something to someone from the past, or vice versa. What's going on with this mirroring energy? What is mirroring energy? Feelings. Okay, somebody's emotions. You could be mirroring back somebody's emotions that they had towards you. Look, fed up. And they're fed up with this. Look, reckless love or sex. Somebody could have been real reckless with their body. Somebody could have, you know, just want to have sex. What about the mirroring and feelings? So you're mirroring back somebody's emotions to them. What's the mirroring feelings? Yeah, and you're running. Okay, so you're dodging somebody. You're running from someone. If somebody in the past was running from you, Scorpio, you're now running from them. They could be watching you from a secret account. In the past, if somebody ran off with somebody else, you could be doing the same now. Like, you could be running off with somebody else. Oh dear. Give me one more. What's going on with the mirroring feelings and running part? Spirit, and this is like, it's hurting somebody's ego. Chaos, ego, death, downward spiral, spiritual awakening. Romance. Yeah, some of y'all are like running off, getting into a relationship, or if somebody did this to you in the past, you can now be moving on, going towards somebody else, getting into a relationship and stuff like that. And it make him feel some type of way. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Let me see. Where's my... Who is Scorpio dealing with? How does Scorpio know if this message is for them? Like, who is Scorpio dealing with? Who are all these messages about for my Scorpio? Yeah, I get it. I don't know why I'm giving this to you, because you sure don't need it. Here. I'm going to brush some teethies afterwards, too. No teeth. Alright, so how will Scorpio know who they are, who these messages are about? Like, how will Scorpio know who these messages are about? How will Scorpio know who these messages are about? So we have to be dealing with a Capricorn. We have the initial T. How will Scorpio know who these messages are about? So that could be a Cancer. We have the initial A. How will Scorpio know who these messages are about? We have E. ETA. Ain't that arrival time? ETA. Somebody arrival time. You could be going somewhere. Oh, somebody could eat oats or something about oatmeal could be significant in. Somebody could also like to drink tea. Okay, something about the number 10 could be significant. I'm seeing TENO. Somebody's name could be Anthony. We have Virgo. J. Somebody's name could be AJ, TJ. Something could be really neat. C. CJ. What about this energy? How does Scorpio know? We have F, L, Capricorn energy again. So somebody definitely could have either Capricorn heavy in their chart, or you could be dealing with 2 Capricorns, or somebody's like B at the bottom of the deck. Somebody's name could be JC, okay, or Jeffrey, or Jeff, Jenny, or Jenna, Jean, okay. How does Scorpio know who this message is about? And that could be last names. Just we have this. We have the initial K. Somebody's name could be Ken, Pisces, Ken, Kenneth, Jenkins, last name Jenkins, or Ann. Somebody's name could be Ann. We have S. Sonia, S, like I'm getting SONJA, Sonia. Like, yeah, Sonia. Leanne. Somebody's name could be like Leak, like LE, like there's a leak in the boat, like leak, or maybe you're eating leeks or something like that. Virgo at the bottom of the deck again. What's the other cards? I don't think they're over there, are they? There they go. How will Scorpio know who they are dealing with? Just a little more clarity. How will Scorpio know who they are dealing with here? Whoa. Almost dropped all the cards. How will Scorpio know who they're dealing with? How will Scorpio know who they're dealing with? What this message is about, or for them. Somebody have straight hair. Must have somebody could be very muscular. How will Scorpio know that this message is for them or about them? How will Scorpio know who this message is about? Alright, somebody could have a square face. Somebody could be older than you. Medium hair. Same height as you. Somebody could have a tooth gap. Somebody could be a man. We could be talking about a man. Messages for Scorpio. Messages for Scorpio. Beauty marks. Somebody could have like a significant beauty mark on their face. Tribal is here. So somebody could be from like a certain tribe. Brown eyes. Red. There's a red head here. Curly hair. Somebody could be very young, okay? And somebody could be a witch or warlock, okay? So somebody could have witchy vibes, or this is how they feel about you. They could have it. All right, where's my other deck of cards? Here they go. Any other messages Scorpio needs to know? It's so hard to shuffle these because there's so many. And I keep adding. I got to order some more cards because I keep adding. Every time I get a download, I add more and more, so... Other messages. How will Scorpio know this message is for them? What is it that they need to know? Woo! Gold teeth or veneers. Somebody's teeth could be very significant. Body detox, fruit, water, juicing, fasting, healthy habits. All of the energy that the people or person took from you is returning, feeling better, glowing, a burst of energy. So you could have had, y'all could have felt like really tired and stuff like that, and you're gonna feel your energy coming back. Someone's spouse or girlfriend could be significant. Late night vibe or drive with good music. Tell me about this messages for Scorpio. How does Scorpio know this reading is for them? Alright, we got sweatshirt or hoodie. Sunshine and clear skies. They still have one foot in the past, creating stagnation. The juggler told you. Somebody's like juggling. Property, land, or home. So something about a home, going to somebody's home, somebody coming to your home, or somebody could be buying or selling a home. They can't deny that you are gifted and your intuition was right. Ohio, Oklahoma, and Oregon. Press on, long nails, new manicure set. So somebody knows that you're intuitive or witchy or warlocky. What's going on? And they can't deny your gifts too. What's going on? It's about Tuesday. Everyone believed the lies that this person have told on you. Ponzi scheme, failed investments. Maybe you've been picking up that somebody's been doing something fraudulent and stuff like that. And you've been trying to like express to somebody or tell somebody like, yo, you might not want to do that. Or this is what's really going on. And somebody tried to deny it because they didn't want people to know. And so they lied on you or something to hide it. What's going on? Fancy restaurant or fancy food. Some of y'all could be going out to eat. Messages for Scorpio. We have 999 release. It's time to let go of what's no longer serving you. Messages for Scorpio. Alright. Doctor appointment, dentist appointment, chocolate cake or cupcakes. Somebody could be suffering from headaches. Made fun of your appearance, the way you dress, shoes, and beliefs. Hold on, baby. 333, your spiritual guides are around you, sending you love, support, and guidance. For some of y'all, these people could have laughed at you, laughed at your beliefs, laughed at the way you dress, stuff like that. 24 to 48 hours could be significant. Yeah. Scorpio, I'm going to leave this one here. Hope it brings you clarity and insight. Appreciate y'all so much for watching. Catch y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.